So nandito tayo ngayon sa Belleza Farm to witness itong grand opening nila, and this is the newest events and staycation dito sa may Pampanga. This is located dito sa may Bacolor, Pampanga. Bagong-bago. And nandito tayo sa event dito. Nandito tayo kasama yung mga other suppliers. So congratulations Belleza Farm for opening the newest events and staycation dito sa Pampanga. So we will witness lang yung kanilang grand opening, then let's see kung anong makikita natin sa loob. Tara!
I would like to welcome everyone to this night of celebration and Thanksgiving. Before we jump into tonight's festivities, I would like to encourage everyone to take in your surroundings as I explain a few interesting things about the name of this beautiful hall we are in. This hall is the Sequoia Hall, named after some of the tallest and oldest trees in the world, the sequoia trees. We wanted this hall to be the perfect environment for the seeds of new relationships and beginnings to grow strong, resilient, and able to survive even the most scorching of tests, and craft moments that matter to those that matter most to us. I will not ramble on, but I would like to welcome you all again and thank you for coming here to celebrate with us. Please enjoy the food, the music, and the company, and may this be a night to strengthen connections and create unforgettable moments. Thank you and have a good night.
Let's get up. This is not only a celebration of success, most of all, celebration of friendship and partnership. As our company was derived from the Bible verse, ECC 3:11, which is Ecclesiastes 3:11, God makes all things beautiful in this time. To all of us who believe in that life is beautiful, Belleza. Cheers!
So ito, nagpagawa tayo ng tote bag. Cheers! Thank you Memorabilia for this tote bag.
Congratulations, Belleza! We hope to work with you soon, guys. Yeah.
Hi Belleza, thank you so much for having us. Again, this is Shane Galang and I'm wishing you all the best. More bookings, more clients, and more events to come. Thank you, love you.
Cheers to successful years!
Woo! Congratulations, Belleza Farm!